I was just gonna dive into the boss pool.
Watch your step!
I'm just practicing, baby. Bad swirl! Bad swirl!
He gnome punted me! What the fuck?
Got me in my special area.
Show us on the doll where he touched your naughty part.
Oh my god.
Y'all gotta spread out all the way to the front.
That girl just loved to sing.
Mm-hmm.
Welcome to France.
Shut up. I got fucking shoulder!
Did you tell her about that?
Oh,
That the video's up?
Oh yeah.
Well,
Semi
what'd
bad
she say?
swirl right under the platform.
she said she sounded horrible on Vet, and she said she sounded like a dude. And I said, no, you didn't sound bad at all, but it was pretty funny. I said, now if you want to laugh, I sound like an episode of Hee Haw.
I'm the one that always sounds like a dude. I don't know what she's talking about.
I can't hear half you haven't met when the fight's going on anyway.
That swirl just knocked me out of the area. I'm now on the other side of the wall.
What? Where the fuck were you standing?
I was trying to get where you said to go for heroic because I figured that was a good spot, and then it knocked me out of the map.
Pick it up, baby. Oh, there you go.
Maybe you better just start behaving yourself. That's all I'm going to say.
I'm trying to follow Master Ellie's work.
Yeah, but I've never.
Bad swirl.
Bad swirl.
Bad swirl.
Bad swirl. Bad touch. Bad touch.
I don't want your wet stuff on me again.
Y'all need to be careful too when he pulls those pulls, and you're still gonna take damage from him. So be careful.
You got those, Pete? I'll grab the next ones. Hi, Red.
Hey, it's a Mitty. He's back with the living.
You know, Mitty's going to, if he's not careful, he's going to start getting a reputation of dying more times than Afma does. That would be scary.
Ooh, that's impressive.
Swirl's not too bad. Right under the platform. Just watch out.
I think Afma dies on purpose because he likes to. Can't die
He's-
as much as Spear used to on his Warlock in Burning Crusade.
Oh God.
He
Okay,
likes
good,
to
you're
his
right.
face.
Good point.
Spear had also that devastating
Sorry, I didn't give you much room to back it on up there.
Back that ass back.
Any healing help is appreciated. Shut up. Shut up. Oh yeah, shut up. Okay, shut up.
She's got such a lovely singing voice.
Yeah, right. For breaking
Such
glass.
an interesting monster too.
Okay,
You know
especially
what, A-Rod?
now.
I didn't taunt one
What's
time
that?
off you on that fight. We could one tank this bitch now because it goes
No.
down so quick.
No wonder I was taking all that extra damage, man.
Well, you didn't get hit with any extra corrosive blasts.